the actually there's an early doe rifle season going on right now. There's fronts moving in. I'm thinking this morning's going to be a good morning. It may rain. It's going to rain this evening. Got doe hunters in the woods. I got every excuse not to go hunting this morning, but I'm going. I think it's going to be a good morning. So, and if it's not, it's still an awesome day to be in the woods. So I'm going to head up and see how we do this morning. Come along with me. It's about 8:15. I have my orange on due to the firearm season going on at the same time. I've heard 2 shots. So hoping a good buck comes in. That was a nice looking little 4-point. He needs a little bit, a couple more years on him, but he came in, fed around for about 20 minutes, and then went on. So it's a real still morning, so we'll see what happens. It's Saturday, October 28th, not the 26th, so I have my days mixed up, so okay. Okay, guys, it's pretty dead out. I mean, the woods are so calm and still. There's hardly no wind. There is nothing moving. I mean, nothing. Had that little buck come in this morning, but I don't know. It's a bunch of turkeys down here below me. It's just the woods. It's just a still, calm morning, but just nothing moving. I'm gonna sit here another 20 minutes. I'm gonna come out about 10:30, and then I'm gonna probably head up to the hunting camp, do a little work there, and hunt there in the evening. So not much going on at the homestead though today. I'll let you know if anything happens. So here's a scrape. They make it in the same place every year. Here under this tree, walking out. So pretty neat. Like I said, I'm heading up to the hunting camp now. I got some firewood I got to take up, and I want to put a camera out for Dad on his feeder, and I'm going to change some other cards out, and if the rain holds off, I'm going to hunt the evening here. So that's the plan. When you're weekend warrior running and gunning, you know, it is what it is. You got to hunt when you can and do what you got to do. But heading to the hunting camp, come on with me, and hopefully we might have some action tonight before all this rain comes in. So. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here on the mountain. I want to put a new camera up for Dad. The one he had there had some problems, so did some work on this camera, and I think I got this one working now. Got to fix one feeder on the far side. Had bear damage. I'm hoping it was just the battery and not the spinner itself. Change out a few. I have 2 other cameras up there. I'm gonna grab that, come back, and then hopefully shower, go back in and hunt this evening. There's supposed to be some weather coming in, but I just thought they would move before this rain comes, but it is pretty hot, so I'm gonna go and get these jobs done real quick. Okay guys, back up here at Dad's stand. He's got a feeder over here I need to pull or put some corn in, and then I'm gonna put his camera up right here. But he's already been in it a couple times this year. He's just really enjoying this stand, so I'm gonna go ahead and get him set up. Okay, so I think I got that feeder fixed. Like it's just a battery issue. A bear knocked it down. I don't know if the battery got wet or what, but anyway, it seems to be working now. And there's 230 pictures on that card, so looking forward to looking at that tonight. All right, now we'll head over to my main stand. Switch the card out there. Okay, here's okay, my stand's up there. You can see it. My camera's right here. It is starting to rain, so I'm gonna head back to the camp and go from there. But everything looks good up here. Got a new card put in and go down and get ready for the afternoon hunt. Just hanging out at the camp here for a few minutes. Looks like the rain's going to break. I'm gonna go ahead and get showered and get ready. Just doing a little cleanup, tidying up here at the camp. Just laying down for a minute, maybe rest my eyes for about 15-20 minutes, but just relaxing, getting ready to go back in. Okay. Rain came in. Couldn't have my camera out for a while. But the wind changed. So I had to get out of the stand that I was in previously because the wind was blowing from my back down into the hollow. And that's where those bucks are. And I didn't want my scent blowing down in there in the evening, so I came out. Came back up on top of the hill and I snuck into Dad's stand, so the wind's better for here. It's not a lot of wind, but the wind just changed and started blowing right down in that hollow, so I don't know. I'm gonna try it here. Anyway, sitting in Dad's stand, we'll see what we got. 6:15. There's one doe came running through. She was acting like something was chasing her, but I don't know. I'm gonna give it about 10 or 15 minutes and I'm gonna start heading out. Well, everyone, slow day here at the camp. I mean, what else do you expect when it's going to be when it's 70 degrees and drizzle and rain all day? But still another day in the woods, and tomorrow looks like it's going to be another washout. But I'm gonna head back home, and if it's clear in the morning, I'm gonna go at the homestead and try again. Looking forward to this cold weather drop this week. It's coming. We'll have some lows down in the high 20s in the middle of the week. So looking forward to that for deer movement anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. So until next time, guys, stay safe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for dropping by. Turn the power off here.